Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. 10 more minutes, thunderchief building action. Late afternoon, drama-free episode of Bob TV. Well, check this out, I got all my inserts in there for the gear doors and my servo door covers. I got all them sprayed, I got them sanded real good. Because them things had wax on them, man. So I just pretty much took them way down. And fill them again and sand them. And then I got them primed. I'm just waiting for that to dry. But I got something I got to show you guys. Remember I was talking about that table saw earlier? Bam! There it is. That is a porta cable. I don't know why I said Skil earlier, I think, but this is a nice saw, $299. And one of our fans out there, we was talking about it earlier. I said I wish I had a table saw. Bam, donated $300 to go buy a saw, Bob. Bam, I couldn't believe it, man. You guys rock. John, thanks, man. Does anyone get a shout out to John? Tell him thanks for the saw. You guys rock, man. Can't believe how the whole world pulled together and helped Bob out, man. You guys rock, man. You really do. But I can't let this slow me down too much tonight. It's already getting too late to lay up them wings. But I got them warming in that blanket. I put 2 coats of wax on them. As soon as them are dry and sanded, I'm going to double face tape them in and put some more wax on them bad boys. I'm going to wax them up really good too. Get them sanded, get them in there, and put me like 3 or 4 coats of wax on there tonight. But right now, we're going to break into the saw. You see it's got a little dolly. This thing folds up and it'll just stand flat against the wall on wheels when I'm not using it. A really nice top, really nice fence. I've been looking at them in the store when I go in there. But old John made it possible. This came from Lowe's. Someone's going to tell me Home Depot's got them on sale. This is the fence, man. It's got a really nice fence. Porta cable's pretty nice stuff, man. It's got a really nice fence. The table extends. This is a nice setup. You can call them a cut circle over here. They love putting this stuff together. Oh, that's Mr. Balcom. We'll give him a call back here in a little bit. Yeah, I said Skil earlier, I think, because I was looking at them Skils. And then when I seen this porta cable, I thought, man, that's it, no way. There that bad boy is. It's not the great big saw that I don't have room for, but it's a nice one. It's got the metal top. This table extends somehow. There's a lever. There it goes. That table extends for when we're cutting the big stuff. Slides right back in place. I've got a little measuring thing over there, tells you how far back we're sliding out. Huh. Oh, so we can put our fence there. 21 inches. Oh, that's cool. I'd like to have one of them big $500 ones, people, but you know, for what I need and my uses and the size of my garage, this is awesome. I think it's a nice one anyway. They had one down there, you know, $500–600, but I just do not need one of them kind of saws. Alright, we gotta figure out how to get this bad boy open. Man, it goes like that. That's the handles, that's got to stay up. I'm just wanting that to go down. Oh, got a lock on it. There we go. Guess we'll have to read the instructions just a little bit. Get that bad boy figured out. Four parts to it. I'm gonna get my cousin over here tonight. But thanks, John, man. Sure do appreciate stuff like this. Makes my life just a little bit easier around here. Especially when I go cutting up that plywood nowadays. And parting plain stuff, and it's all that big wood. That'll work. And then I'm going to clean out that little corner right there beside the heater. Bam, right there, and that's where I'm going to keep it. What do you guys think? Is that awesome or what? Everything that's was for the Thunder Chief. Okay, people, that's all I got for you now. Let's see if I can't get my cousin over here to help me put this thing together. So we'll see you back in the shop. Thanks for watching. Thanks, John, man. You're the man. Everyone get a shout out to John. Tell him thanks. We'll see you back in the shop.